Yes, 10th class students. Now I am going to explain the second chapter, that is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Actually, this chapter is a part of the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, and the autobiography's name was Long Walk to Freedom, written by him. And in this book, he included the description of inauguration ceremony of new type of government, his speech, his fighting struggle, about his South African patriots, and uh, and the overview that Nelson Mandela, how they carved their way to society where there will be no discrimination, on the basis of color, caste, race, age, gender, etc. So before we read section, I am going to read: apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. What is race here? Race is not here running race. Race is the difference between two people on the base of their skin: dark skinned people and white skinned people. This is the difference. It means the white people were oppressing the dark skinned people. Can you say which of these countries named below had such a political system until very recently? It means the question is, we have to tell the name which of these countries had such a political system very recently. This is South Africa, 1994 latest it was. And have you heard of Nelson Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Okay, have you ever heard the name of Nelson Mandela? Who was Nelson Mandela? And he and his when he joined African National Congress, then after joining the Congress, he became the member of the parliament, and he was elected as a president 1994, and he spent his whole life fighting against apartheid. One thing we must keep it in mind: what is apartheid? Apartheid is a system on which the dark skinned people were oppressed or exploited by the white people. Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. This was the longest period when he had to spend, as he was punished by the white people. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994. 1994 was the turning point in his life, as he was finally elected on that in that year, and democratic elections were held, and Mandela became the first black president of the new nation. Black president means dark skinned people of South Africa. In this extract from the autobiography Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion. Historic occasion, what was that occasion? He speaks about in his autobiography the inauguration. Inauguration means the beginning of the new government. Can you guess what the occasion might be? Check your guess with this news from the BBC 10th May 1994. This extract that you can see in the box, this is a news clip that was printed on the newspaper, in the newspaper 10th May 1994. Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. 3 centuries, 300 years of white rule. He got the chance to be first black president. Mrs. Mandela's African National Congress ANC party won 252 out of 400 seats in the first democratic election in South Africa's history. This happened first time in South Africa's country that anyone who had nominated in that election had won 252 seats out of 400, and the inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings amphitheater in Pretoria today. These days this place is called Pretoria, and the function of inauguration ceremony was held in that building that is called Union Building, and attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 100 countries. And this function was attended by more than 100 countries around the world. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another. What does he say? Now onwards, the South African soil, the South African nation would never have to see the oppression system again, because the country was free now from the oppression of white people, said Nelson Mandela in his address. Address means the speech here when he was speaking after taking an oath. Next is jubilant scenes in the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with black, white, and colors celebrating together. It means the scene was very vibrant, colorful occasion it was at. Everyone was happy and in joyful mood, and more than 10 million people, such South African men and women and children of all races, sang and danced with joy, because this was the moment to celebrate this occasion. So everyone was in jovial mood, everyone was happy and dancing. More than 10 million people were there. So this is first part. We will continue next.